Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover English phrases that will open doors. Knowing the right phrases can help you make a great impression, connect with others, and create new opportunities. Let's go over some powerful phrases that you can use to impress people, make requests politely, and show appreciation. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. Could you please? When you need to ask someone for a favor or make a request, using could you please adds politeness and shows respect. For example, could you please send me the report by tomorrow? Could you please help me with this project? Adding please and using could instead of can makes the request sound more formal and polite. Phrase number 2, I would really appreciate it if. This phrase is perfect for asking for help or making a suggestion in a considerate way. For example, I would really appreciate it if you could review my presentation. I would really appreciate it if we could discuss this further. It shows that you value the other person's time and are grateful for their assistance. Phrase number 3, is there any chance? Use this phrase when you're making a request that might be difficult or when you're not sure if it's possible. Is there any chance you could extend the deadline? Is there any chance I could speak with the manager? It's a polite way to ask for something without sounding too demanding. Phrase number 4, thank you so much for. Expressing gratitude is key to building positive relationships. Use this phrase to show appreciation. Thank you so much for your help with the project. Thank you so much for taking the time to meet with me. Showing appreciation helps you leave a lasting, positive impression. Phrase number 5, I was wondering if. This phrase is a polite way to make a request or start a conversation about a topic. For example, I was wondering if you had a moment to discuss the new proposal. I was wondering if you could recommend a good restaurant in the area. It softens the request and makes it sound more friendly. Phrase number 6, I look forward to. Use this phrase when you want to express excitement about something in the future. It's great for closing an email or a conversation. I look forward to hearing from you soon. I look forward to working together on this project. It shows enthusiasm and sets a positive tone for future interactions. Phrase number 7, if there's anything I can do. Offering help with this phrase shows that you're willing to support someone. If there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. If there's anything I can do to make this easier, feel free to ask. It's a great way to show that you're proactive and considerate. Quick review. English phrases that will open doors, could you please? Adds politeness to requests. I would really appreciate it if. Shows gratitude when asking for help. Is there any chance? Politely requests something that may not be possible. Thank you so much for. Expresses appreciation. I was wondering if. Softens a request or starts a conversation. I look forward to. Shows excitement for future actions. If there's anything I can do. Offers help and support. With these powerful phrases, you'll be able to open doors, create opportunities, and build stronger connections in English. Practice using them in your daily conversations and see how they can make a difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!